So today we're going to use this opportunity to talk about our new initiative that is called Vertical Gardens. So this is something that is relatively new and it's also known as green walls. Basically, Vertical Gardens is an initiative where you take a structure in an urban society where space is less, and on the walls of it, any vertical surface basically, you plant trees in such a way that it would save space and also help make our urban cities more green. So the main problems that we are facing in our cities today is obviously a lack of space and the major deforestation that's going on in our cities due to rising population and urbanization. So vertical garden solves these problems by planting trees on the vertical surfaces of buildings, thereby solving our space problem and the problem of green cover in urban cities.
There are quite a few purposes involved as part of this initiative, such as the reduction of CO2 levels, extremely relevant topic in this day and age, the conservation of water, again something we think about every day these days, and they all get addressed through our idea of vertical gardening. And so moving on to the impacts, you have the social side of things, where one of the points is high aesthetic value. It simply would look a lot better than a lot of the stuff does these days. And obviously a whole bunch of environmental and economical impacts as well, stormwater management, improvement of air quality, etc. How will all of this be implemented? I won't go too deep into the technicalities of things, which you can find in our business plan, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to the site, study the conditions involved. Based on that, we're going to be setting up our equipment, the plants, the kind of plants we're going to put there. The natural needs will be taken care of automatically. This will lead to very healthy plant growth, but also natural plant growth.
What are the main benefits of vertical gardens in our environmental domain? Improves air quality. It gives an increased biodiversity in that area. Now the stakeholders for this project are going to be the residential societies, hotels and corporate buildings in which the vertical gardens are going to be installed. Coming to a conclusion, we see that as we progress to a more modern and busy world, we are lacking in the vegetation and greenery that was once in our life. This problem can be solved by implementing vertical gardening wherever we can.